Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, it's all been a bit different today, right? I hope you all got the messages, understand exactly what's been going on. We've got a deadline for everyone to get in if they want to get in with the gold mine. It's about to go public. So because of that, I was getting out the videos so you could get the information, so you could learn about it and go contact Jefferson Boots and get in on a gold mine if you want to. Of course, you don't have to, but it's a members only deal. And we wanted to make sure that everybody had that information as it's about to run out. All right. Okay. So there you go. We're up and running. Now we do have Netflix coming up in a minute. We've got the Netflix earnings just around the corner. Hopefully everyone knows what's going on. Let me update you if you've missed any of this, if this has all been a bit crazy for you. Let's look on the home. It's been a bit crazy for me, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's crazy for you. On the home page of the channel, here it is. We've just put out some videos. You might have seen them, you might not. So let me just give them to you. DXYZ, no longer supported. So everyone knows what's going on. No longer support. That just came out a few moments ago. DXYZ, it's up today despite all the false information on Reddit. As always, it's just a rubbish place to go and do research. Up again. There is DXYZ. Okay. Then the facts about Tesla, the facts why you're not going to get a robotaxi. Tesla shares are going down, which we all know they're going down, and they've been going down for ages, and there's no reason why they'll go up because people are now realizing actually they're not going to get the deal they thought they were. Pack Bio. Now, this was done for Chris Schultz this morning, who got a little mini review here. Bit of a confusion with what's going on, so I put it out. Then we had this video here. It's gold. Do you want to be in on a gold mine? Do you want to buy a gold mine? We're expecting it to go up 40% this year. And not only on top of that, you can get a 10% immediate guaranteed boost with a convertible note, a private company. I know the CEO is a friend of mine, and you can get in. I am in. I've bought it. Then you can get a 30% discount off the stock itself. So it's a win-win-win. You'll get a convertible note. If you watch this video here, I'll tell you all about it. And then if you want the email and to be verified as a member, because it's a members only deal, you'll go to the members only video here. Of course, only members can see that. This video will point you to the video and all the rest of it. But you need to. I don't know. Have I done that? I did so many things here at once. Did I put the members only video? Yes, I did. There it is. Phew, blimey. Just making sure. So you can go and check that out, and then you can contact the CEO of the company directly. Or we just turned green. There we go. We've turned green again today. Marvelous. I didn't buy anything today. Didn't go low enough. It's just obviously starting to stabilize because we're not going down anymore. We're just kind of trickling down now. Down about 4% on the S&P so far. I said 10% was the low. We're not quite there yet. Anyway, there you go. That's what's just come out. So, all right. All members can get in on this deal. Wefantastic deal. And Jefferson Boots will be live on the show very, very shortly. All right. Now then, that's that. That's updated you there, right? We're back green again. Now then, we've got Netflix earnings in a moment. So we need to get Netflix on the screen because we're going to be covering Netflix in a minute. Netflix. There it is. Boom, 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 boom. We are down at the moment, only very slightly, but we are down. And we're down over the week as well. So this is going to set the market tonight. Virgin News in YouTube link. I'm going there right now. Then all new Virgin Galactic Delta ship revealed. Space. Told you exciting news today. I love how you always tell us after it comes. I told you, M4TTD, he's not verified. He's not a member. Never has been. Says a lot of stuff that's rubbish. I just want to say, just so you know, he makes all sorts of wild claims based upon no evidence and always says, I told you so, when everybody else finds the news. So please do not take any notice. M4TTD pretends he knows everybody at Virgin Galactic, doesn't know anybody. He just likes to pretend. All right. So be very careful listening to people who like to tell you they know everything when actually they don't know. Right. Just to warn you. Okay. Now then, we've just done that. That's out. That's good. Now then, Netflix. I'm just loading it up. Just loading up. Netflix will go live there in half an hour. In fact, we'll be there in about 5 minutes, actually. We'll have to end this show and get straight into the Netflix event. So Netflix, there it is. Now then, I have to duplicate this screen. Good luck, Martin, on the 50,000. Thank you very much. Okay. Netflix, there we go. We're just lining this up over here because we're going to be live with Netflix in just a moment as well. There you go. You can see where the stock is at the moment. Netflix. Let's bring that up. Bring in the candles. We're about to see what's going on. Okay. Robinhood, Netflix. And we're going to go over to the earnings in just a few minutes. We're not quite there yet. Not quite ready for it yet. Preview the earnings call. Let me get my links. It's going to be there. Right, it's 3:45. So we go to it at 3:30. Brilliant. We'll bring that up there. And live. Finally, Netflix have done what I suggested. Actually, contacted them and said, "You run all your events on a YouTube, but you never actually put the upcoming events. It's absolutely flipping bonkers. No one can find you until you go live, which is really, really daft." And they've now done that. And don't know if it was because of me, but I did message them and tell them that. Anyway, okay. That's Netflix. We'll be there in a minute. It will set the market, of course. It always does. What does that mean? Yeah, Mike. You remember this guy. Or girl. Or bot. We don't know. A bit silly, really. Links for YouTube. Virgin Galactic News. John Granfor. Insights. Space. Let's have a look. Was it John who gave some information? Virgin News on YouTube. Was it? YouTube links. Let's have a look. Is it the Benziga one? Holdings, short interest. Legendary investor has risen 10% since in the last report. The company recently reported. Where's about John? Where is it about the oh, that's M4. Mike, watch M4TD. If he keeps saying silly stuff, just ban him. I mean, he's posting information that's not even based upon any evidence at all. And I don't want anyone to be confused. There's no new Delta shit, whatever it is. I was looking at that, thinking that was from John. Virgin Galactic News YouTube links. Okay, let's have a look. We know about this. Virgin Holdings short interest. Why short interest matters. Let's have a look. Are you into chart? Virgin short interest over the last 3 months? Yes. Comparing, according to Benziga. Okay, it's about the short interest. We know this. Have I got time to record it? I'm not going to do it straight away because it doesn't actually lead into anything. We already have reported that. Virgin News, thank you for that, mate. Yeah, John, don't take notice of what M4TT says. He just talks rubbish, okay? Don't listen to that. I think VU will go to 456. Let's have a look. Where are you coming from? VU 456. Yes, hi John. Become a member and share the links, but you can't and you never will. So just when I'm not going to do research for you. If you want to share points that you want, then become a member and share it. Don't come on the show and ask me to go and Google stuff that you want to see. I don't work for you. I used to be nice to you, but you keep saying stuff that's rubbish and it confuses my audience, so I don't want it. I'm not going to go and Google Delta Diaries because you want to get information on the show. I ain't got time for that. Okay, I'm trying, brother. Grand 4, you're doing great. You're doing great. That's short interest. If it led to something, I would, but we've already reported on it, so I don't want to report on it again. I don't want to make too many videos for people I don't want to make videos saying the same thing. That's essentially what I'm saying, I think. Right. Okay. Netflix. We've got 15 minutes before we go there. Right. So I want to make sure I told you that you were going to put out a members only video offering shares in a gold mine. I told you that you were going to put out a members only video offering shares in a gold mine before it IPOs. I told you that you were going to put out a members only video offering shares in a gold mine. What do you mean? What are you saying, Eric? You told me I was going to do that. I don't know what you mean by that. What do you mean by that? I told you that you were going to put out. I mean, I didn't know. It just happened today. Someone asked the question. I called Eric Boots live on the show, and it all just kind of happened. Really, it wasn't planned. Jeff told me it's coming to an end. If you want to get in on it, he's about to close the deal. That's why I let everyone know. Anyway, hi Tio, good afternoon. Greetings, Earthlings. Let's take it easy on Martyn. He's giving us all great info and valuable time. Thank you very much indeed. Oh man, that's very, very kind of you. No, I'm doing my own research. Good. Yeah, don't listen to. Whoa! Netflix has gone nuts. Netflix does this. Netflix has just popped on the news. Look at it, it's going up 3%. Netflix does this. I tell you now, we've seen this before. There it goes, and it goes the other direction. Very, very careful. Netflix is out. Look, down 6%. This always happens with Netflix. Be very, very careful. Netflix gone bananas. Do not chase it. It's never, ever worth it. You got to really know what you're doing with Netflix if you start doing stuff like this. Let's have a look. The earnings, we don't have the numbers yet. It does this. It's just come out. See, it's bouncing around all over the place. It's up, it's down, it's left, it's right. Be very, very careful if you are going to get involved with this. How do you explain the shit with the Delta logo in the background on the Delta Diaries video? I don't know. I've not looked. You're not a member. I've no idea. How do you explain it? Go and set up a YouTube channel and you can explain it. Hi, Mike. Hi, Tio. Yes. All right. Virgin Galactic hasn't moved today. If there was anything major, it would have popped up way above $1. It would be $2. But we've got people here trying to manipulate the stock. Don't get carried away. Don't chase it. It's very weak, empty information, and I don't like when people come and try to manipulate people. Drives me mad. Will we be able to do the gold notes? Will we be able to do the gold notes tomorrow? I don't know what that means. Will we be able to do the gold notes tomorrow? Gold notes. A convertible note. Oh, will you be able to... Yeah, look, basically, if you watch the members only video, did you watch the video? Let me just do a poll right now. I want to see how this worked, okay? So did you watch, start a poll. Did you watch the gold promo. Not the members only. Did you did you watch the gold promo, not the members only video? So did you watch the first one, not the members only video? So I want to find out if everyone watched the first one. So I'm not asking you if you watched the members only video. I'm asking you if you watched the promo first of all. All right? Just vote on this if you're one of our members. Everybody else, please don't. Did you watch the gold promo? You've not yet seen it. No, you haven't watched it yet. All right. This is the video. It's a 2-minute video. Share. Copy. You're all being able to buy inside a gold mine. So here is the video. Right, there it is. Here is the video. All right. Now, it looks like 64% of you have not watched it so far. 11 votes. Okay. All right. I'm going to do another poll. I've got to let this one finish first. Okay. So this was the main video. All right. This was the main video. I know the bell's gone. We've not been able to ring the bell today. We've got 10 things going on at once. So we're just going to do this first of all. This was the main video, right? How to buy a gold mine. This was the members only video. So I'm just asking about the main video first of all, the one that introduces the gold video. All right. Okay, 50-50. Okay, brilliant. 10 of you have watched it. All right, fantastic. Now I've got an idea. So make sure that you go and watch this. All right, this will explain to you about the gold and all the rest of it, okay? Now, once you've done that, and there's also links on there to Jefferson Boots. In that video, there's links to Jefferson Boots. In fact, I'm going to make sure, let me put that there now. The first video, there's a Meet the CEO video. Let me make sure I've done that for you, giving you that card. Let me see if I've done that. Playlist, diversified, Martyn Lucas, diversified mineral group. DMG, was it called that? Oh, flipping it. What's it called? I want to get this right. Hang on. Diversified. Right. It's what is this in? Playlist. So is it, it was that. Why was it not coming up? Right, try that again. Playlist, put on a card. Want to make sure that you can all get this, so you know more about the company. Channel. Playlist. Oh, there it is. I was looking right at it. Ah, that annoys me. And it was already there anyway. Oh my God. How annoying. Oh, flipping heck. What have I done now? Discard. I'm messing the whole thing up now. Trying to do too many things at once. Let's try that again. Playlist. Martyn Lucas Meet the CEO. Okay. And that was already there. So I've already done it. I just wasn't sure if I had or not. Okay. Okay, the cards are already there, so I'm not even going to bother. I've already done it. I already made sure. Right. All right. Now then, I'm going to end that poll, so I've got an idea. Now I'm going to ask you, yes, 54% did. The majority of you did. Great. Now then, so now I'm going to ask you another question. Did you see the members gold video? Now you've got his details. Did you see the members gold video? Obviously, only members vote, please. Did you see the members gold video? Okay, the members only gold video. There you go. Now I'm asking you now, did you see the members one? In this one, if you click below, you'll find the information and you'll find the personal details of the CEO who owns the company, and you can deal directly with them. All right, absolutely brilliant. Pack Bio, we put it out. We've mentioned Pack Bio today, up 5% after the close. Anyway, there you go. So really good. Woo, what a day. 5,000 jobs done at once. Let me come back to Netflix. Netflix is crashing down again now. Everyone was chasing it a minute ago. Very, very dangerous game to play. There we go. Actual, it's a beat. 452, 528. That's a huge beat. That's a huge beat. One of the biggest. This is going to set the market. Great news. Netflix beats and the stock price sells off. Work that bugger out. Work that bugger out. Look at that. It sells off. Look at that. That's what you just been watching a few moments ago. And work that out. But yeah, it's because of expectations. I love gold, Kevin B. Right. 69% of you haven't seen it yet. All right, okay, go and check that out. It's members only. Only members are able to contact Jeff. Only members are able to buy the gold mine. It's about to go public, and I've bought it, and you're going to get a 10% bonus straight away and a 30% discount when you convert. It's a deal that you're never, ever going to get again in your lifetime, I wouldn't imagine. On the moment that gold is already going up, and remember, you've already bought in at the lower level anyway. So we've got to go for Netflix. Netflix is about to start. Now the stock price is coming up again. Overreacted. It was a great beat, a historic beat. Everyone dumped it just to buy it back. That's the way this stuff works, right? Anyway, let me make sure I've got all that done. Right, view that. How long have I got? I've got about a minute. So PACB, that's out. Upload. I can get the last one done. Tesla PACB, gold promo. Yes, let me put that up as well. Gold. Here we go. Just putting this on Rumble. The main one, not the membership one, of course. That would make no sense. Okay. There it is. Description. And what we're going to do now is we're going to end the show and go over to the Netflix earnings. And it's going to be very interesting to see how the market reacts. They beat in earnings. It's great. Gold. There you go. Upload that. I can let that do its thing now. All right. Okie dokie. Marvelous. Let's now see how the market is reacting. Gold, Tesla. I can't believe it. You're not going to believe this, but I've finally cracked the Tesla algorithm. One of the best stocks you can cover is Tesla, but it's virtually impossible because it's owned by big, massive 2 million subscriber channels. But I've cracked it today. In the first half an hour, it's done 170 views, which tells me we've cracked the Tesla algorithm. It's YouTubers suggesting my videos. So this is going to be a really big day today. We're going to hit some big numbers. Very exciting. Just thought I'd let you know. Right, the overall market. Let's go. So we need to look at the market. The market is down. I don't know how it's going to be down very long, though. Virgin Galactic hasn't hardly moved, really. It's up 3%, but still under $1. That news that we was being told earlier on was just nonsense. Palantir, gold, S&P down. Nothing's really doing much at the moment. Amazon, Apple. This is a consolidatory period, I think. A pause. Everyone's waiting to see what's going to happen next. We've got defenses going up. Tesla just going down to 150 now. Awful. Microsoft, Nvidia. Wow. Okay. Let's go over now to Netflix. I want to listen in to the Netflix earnings. The last 2 years I've been watching stock prices fall on good earnings. It makes no sense, right, Eric? It's all to do with the fact that it's not met expectations. Everyone's overbuying everything. Everyone's overpaying for everything. And then when the figures come out, it can't hold it up. But it was an opportunity to buy, I think. It did drop, but it's bounced back. It's bouncing back, but I wouldn't buy it. I would rather buy the S&P and benefit that way. Facebook is falling due to recent scams. Radiant Smile. Iberian Wolf, Netflix will be 5.30 by tomorrow. It's incredible. We've just had an historic beat, and yet the stock price is dropping. Makes no sense, does it? Makes no sense. Absolutely crazy. But there it is. Life don't make sense half the time. Okay, right. Let's go over now to the Netflix earnings. So let me send everybody now. I'll be glad when I can reset my computer. I'm literally losing control. Done too many things at once. I'm all over the place. My head's not straight. And the computer's going, we're trying to process, upload, download, in and out of shows like a flipping blue ass fly. Right, so let me end that poll. Most of you haven't yet seen it. Okay, let me end that. It's on the homepage of the channel. Here it is. It's a members only video. Virgin Galactic short interest. What about it? We talked about it earlier already. There is the members only gold video if you want to be part of that. All right. Okay. Now then, let's get to Netflix. So what I'm going to do is send you. I'm going to send you directly this time to the Netflix video because I'm going to start literally in seconds. So redirect. Netflix earnings. There it is. There it is. Okay. All right. We're all set. I'll see you back in a couple of seconds for the Netflix earnings. We want to listen in. It could be a very, very important evening. So get ready. Chris Schultz. Chris Schultz, did you see I've created a special video for you? You ended up getting it's quite funny how it happened, really. You've ended up getting your own video. Look, Pack Bio. The stock's out, the video's out. I've promoted it everywhere. People are now looking at Pack Bio. You've got your own mini analysis video with Kathy Wood. I thought you'd appreciate Kathy Wood. You seem to be a fan there. So Chris Schultz, you've got your own video. You've got your own stock there. I'll stick it over Netflix, but fun to watch. Stock move like it is. Yes, it is. Right, there you go. Right, there's your video if you want to go and check it out. let's get out of here. I'll see you back in a minute for the Netflix earnings. And in the meantime, I'm out of here. Netflix earnings coming up. I'm going straight there right now. Come and join me. It's the next video. This live stream will take you right there now. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. 1 minute from now, don't go away. Here we go.